Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your hard hair soft easy guide. Start by using a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and a hydrating conditioner to restore moisture. Use lukewarm water, avoid daily hot washes, and apply a weekly deep conditioning mask. Comb gently with a wide-tooth comb when hair is wet to prevent breakage. Trim split ends regularly and protect hair from heat with a lightweight thermal spray for softer, more manageable locks. Warm coconut or argan oil before application for 10 to 20 minutes to penetrate the hair shaft. Apply evenly to mid-lengths and ends, then wrap hair in a warm towel. Rinse with lukewarm water and follow with a gentle conditioner. Repeat oil treatment weekly and alternate with a protein mask monthly to balance moisture and strength. Be patient and track improvements over weeks. Limit heat styling and always use a heat protectant before blow drying or straightening. Opt for lower temperature settings and shorter passes to minimize damage. Sleep on a silk pillowcase and avoid tight hairstyles that cause breakage. Use a leave-in conditioner for daily detangling and apply a lightweight serum to tame frizz. Regular trims and balanced nutrition support softer hair from the inside out. Drink plenty of water and consider supplements like biotin after consulting a professional.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.